Back again with the podcast edition. Something quick, something simple, but definitely good advice for those who need to know or inquiring. Like I said, this time we're talking about starting a car detailing business on a tight budget. Once again, this can be a great way to make money, but what if you're on a tight budget? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll share some essential tips and tricks to help you get started without breaking the bank. Tip 1, use cost-effective products. We've discussed this in live streams before. You don't need to splurge on expensive brand name cleaning supplies, especially if you're on a budget. Look for affordable alternatives that still get the job done. Tip 2, invest in quality tools. Once again, we've spoken about that on the live streams. While you want to save money, it's important to have the right equipment, good brushes, microfiber towels, and a reliable vacuum cleaner. Let's not forget about thick outside extension cords, not that stuff using the inside 16 gauge. Try to keep it 10-12. Once again, like I said, reliable vacuum cleaner can make a huge difference in the quality of your work. Let's add an air compressor. Those aren't cheap. If you don't want to get a real air compressor, you can what? You can get an air tank. 10-gallon air tank, fill it up, plenty of air. Tip 3, network with local businesses. We've discussed that as well. Reach out to car washes, auto repair shops, nail and hair salons, barber shops, and car dealerships in your area. Offer to partner with them and provide your services at a discount. This can help you gain exposure and attract customers without spending a fortune on marketing. This is good. We're talking about the beginning. Not trying to spend big bucks or act like we got a big loan from our uncle or our mom. No. Tip 4, take advantage of the social media. Create accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Showcase your before and after shots. These platforms are free and can help you build a loyal customer base as well as local. Tip 5, offer mobile services. Instead of renting a pricey shop, start by offering a mobile car detailing. This way you can save on rent, travel to your clients, providing convenience while keeping those costs low. Very important. And by implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to starting a car detailing business on a tight budget. Remember, success comes with hard work and dedication. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to more valuable tips and tricks from Sporty's Mobile Detailing.